In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in iMessage group chats on your iPhone. This is a great way to gather opinions and make decisions quickly with friends, family, or colleagues. Whether you're choosing a restaurant, planning an event, or just curious about what your group prefers, polls can be incredibly handy. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting this up. First, you'll want to open the familiar Messages app on your iPhone. If your iPhone is your go-to device for texting, you're already where you need to be. Once you've opened the app, navigate to an existing conversation or, if necessary, start a fresh one by selecting a new group or individual chat that you'd like to involve in your poll. It's important to have all the right participants included in the conversation because each of them will have the opportunity to weigh in on your poll. Next, take a look at the icons arrayed around your text box. Find and tap on the App Store icon. This is your gateway to enhancing your iMessage capabilities with additional apps designed to bring more functionality right into your chats. Now here's where we introduce the poll feature. In the App Store, search for an app called Polls for iMessage. This straightforward app is designed specifically to integrate smoothly with your iMessage experience, making it ideal for our needs. Once you've found it, go ahead and download it to your device. Don't worry, the download and installation process should be quick and easy. After installation, head back to your iMessage conversation. You'll notice a new icon from the Polls app has appeared near your text input field. Tap this icon to launch the poll creation tool within your chat. It's incredibly user-friendly and walks you through the process seamlessly. At this point, you're ready to create your poll. Start by typing in the question you'd like to pose to your group. This could be anything from which date works best for everyone to what should we have for dinner. After entering your question, provide the possible options that you'd like your participants to choose from. You can be as creative or straightforward as needed to fit the context of your conversation. Once you've finalized your question and options, you're ready to share it with the group. Tap the Send Poll button, and just like that, your poll is sent directly into the message thread. Everyone included in the chat will be able to view and vote on the poll right there in the conversation, making it easy and convenient for everyone to participate. So, there you have it. With these steps, you can effortlessly create engaging polls right within your iMessage group chats on your iPhone. This method is not only